Okay.
This is your first food.
Let's try it, mister. I'm gonna get the bowl out. Ready?
Mmm.
What was that? Do you want more? Okay, wait. Okay, mister. Oh,
Okay. That mama?
okay, I'll do it myself. Oh, that's so good, and all of it's all over your face. Okay. Do you want to try more? Say not allowing it into my mouth. Mmm, yummy. What is that?
Think you like that? What was that?
Does that taste good? It's very liquidy to begin with. Yes, okay, I can feed you. I'll do it. Can Mama do it by herself?
He knows what he's doing.
We let the mom. They won't make it in your mouth if you help me. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna just. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah.